Let's say we have the following sentence as shown in cell B3, and we want to find the nth word from it. Our goal is to extract that specific word and display it here in cell E2. So, what are we going to do to achieve this? We'll start by entering our formula in the extracted word cell. We are going to use the chooseCalls function combined with text split. First, we type equals chooseCalls. Now, we need to split our sentence into individual words. We'll use text split for this. To make sure we don't have any issues with extra spaces, let's wrap our cell reference in the trim function. So, we type trim, then select the sentence cell B3. This tells Excel to split the text every time it sees a space. Next, we need to tell the formula which word to pick. This is our column number. We'll select cell D2, which is where we'll input our word location. Close the parentheses, and that's the core formula. Now, to handle errors, for example, if someone enters 0 or a number higher than the total words, we don't want a messy hashtag value. Error. We'll go back to the start of our formula and add if error. At the end of the formula, we'll add a comma and the message, word not found. Then input my if error. Then close all the bracket and press enter. You can see it say word not found because the input cell is empty. If I enter 1, it returns the. If I enter 5, it shows jumps. Even if I go all the way to 20, it correctly finds tree. And if I enter 21, which is beyond our sentence, it now politely says, word not found, instead of an error. If I remove the error handling part like so, we can see what we have hashtag value. Back to it we have it like so, and that is how you find the nth word in Excel.